Failure of an aviation fuel hydrant pit valve's pilot valve seals, main valve seals, or even a damaged piston within the pit valve can have consequences on the operations of a commercial or military airport. To avoid fuel safety implications, fuel hydrant pit valves need an integrity check on a monthly basis to detect hot valves and determine if there is a fault with the valve. These checks are typically completed manually by one or two maintenance operators. But when an airport can have as many as 1,000 pit valves and constant air traffic on the apron, an already long process can get delayed, occupying operators for days at a time. In partnership with Clayval, Atmos International set out to answer the following questions when we designed a solution for pit valve integrity checks. How do you provide pit valve test support to an airport operation that overcomes challenges like the time, cost, and staff hours dedicated to a task that needs to factor in the number of pit valves paired with the size of a typical airport, the environmental impacts of releasing jet fuel into the environment, the health and safety risks of performing manual checks, from the repetitive lifting of heavy hydrant pit couplers to the potential skin irritation caused by spilt jet fuel, increased wear and tear on equipment, and the associated maintenance cost, and results being open to interpretation and not scrutinized by further analysis. The solution, Atmos Pit Sentry, provides an innovative method for digitizing the monthly aviation fuel hydrant pit valve integrity testing procedure all hydrant operators must undertake to see if you have a hot hydrant valve. It supports compliance with international aviation standards from EI 1584, EI 1560, and requirements from JIG 2. Atmos Pit Sentry is a hardware solution that attaches directly to the pit valve, providing refueling operators with a go, no-go light. Through its integration with Android mobile devices, Atmos Pit Sentry removes the need for the typical clipboard and pen approach by creating its own data log on an app that uses GPS location data and Bluetooth connectivity. While the results of a manual pit valve integrity check often aren't analyzed in detail, Atmos Pit Sentry connects to the cloud so operators can see more detail from the pressure readings, and so engineers at Atmos are able to provide additional support. So when a maintenance operator connects to the dedicated app, GPS location data from the phone, alongside accurate mapping data, means they can connect to the pit valve of their choice, and alarms can be raised directly to the paired device in the event of a pit valve issue. Atmos Pit Sentry from Atmos International supports our ongoing commitment to improve operations within the aviation industry for years to come. We are deeply passionate about technology, innovation, and customers,